Hello, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. It's my favorite time of the year, fall season. Also, it is the start of my fall baking series 2024. Come join me in my southern kitchen as I share and prepare y'all some amazing fall desserts, from pumpkin to sweet potato to apple to maple, you name it. Also going to share with y'all some Halloween and tailgate recipes for the upcoming football season. We're about to get down in the kitchen and your house is going to smell wonderful. And for more fall recipes, check out my fall baking recipes playlist down below in the description box. So turn on your oven, grab your baking pans, and your fall spices, sugar, because we're about to bake some fall magic in my southern kitchen. Let the fall baking begin. I see you soon, my friends. Much love.